Welcome to Baku, the dazzling capital of Azerbaijan. Known as the City of Winds, Baku is a melting pot of ancient heritage and futuristic architecture, offering an unforgettable experience for every traveler. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or a nightlife enthusiast, this guide has everything you need to know about exploring Baku. First, let's talk about the must-visit attractions in Baku. Start your journey at the Flame Towers, the city's most iconic skyscrapers, illuminating the skyline with stunning light displays. Next, step back in time at the Maiden Tower, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in the Old City, or Ikirishahur. Here, you'll find cobblestone streets, ancient mosques, and charming bazaars. Don't miss the Haydar Aliyev Center, a futuristic masterpiece designed by Zaha Hadid, known for its flowing wave-like architecture. For a relaxing evening, stroll along Baku Boulevard, a picturesque waterfront promenade with cafes, parks, and panoramic views of the Caspian Sea. Lastly, nature lovers should visit Gobustan National Park to see ancient rock carvings and fascinating mud volcanoes. There's no shortage of exciting activities in Baku. Explore vibrant bazaars like Taza Bazaar, where you can shop for fresh spices, local produce, and souvenirs. Take a Caspian Sea cruise for breathtaking views of the city from the water. Dive into the city's cultural scene by attending a traditional Azerbaijani music or dance performance at the Muham Center. If you're into museums, the Azerbaijan National Carpet Museum is a must-see, showcasing the intricate art of carpet weaving. Adventure seekers can hike or bike along the Absheron Peninsula, where natural beauty meets rich history. Baku's currency is the Azerbaijani manat. Be sure to exchange your currency at authorized centers or withdraw cash from ATMs for the best rates. Traveling in Baku can be surprisingly affordable. A meal at a local restaurant costs around 10 to 15 manat, while transportation and mid-range accommodations won't break the bank. Budget travelers can get by on 50 to 70 manat per day, while those seeking luxury can enjoy premium services at a fraction of Western prices. Accommodation in Baku caters to all budgets. Luxury seekers will love the Fairmont Baku in the Flame Towers or the Ritz-Carlton, which offer world-class amenities and breathtaking views. For mid-range options, consider Boulevard Hotel Baku, located near the waterfront, or the Winter Park Hotel, known for its central location and comfortable rooms. Budget travelers can find great value at Staybridge Suites or Sahil Hostel, which offer excellent facilities at affordable prices. Baku's culture is a fascinating blend of East and West, shaped by its history along the Silk Road. The cuisine is a highlight. Don't miss dishes like plov, saffron rice with meat, dolma, stuffed grape leaves, and sweet pakhlava. Azerbaijanis are known for their warm hospitality, so expect to be greeted with a smile and a cup of tea. Festivals like Nowruz, the Persian New Year, are the best times to experience local traditions and vibrant celebrations. Remember to dress modestly at religious sites and respect local customs. Baku is generally safe for tourists, but a few precautions can enhance your trip. Avoid carrying large amounts of cash, and be cautious of pickpockets in crowded areas. When negotiating prices at markets, ensure you're getting a fair deal. At night, stick to well-lit areas and avoid secluded places. Tap water isn't recommended for drinking, so opt for bottled water instead. Overall, use common sense, and you'll have a worry-free experience. Getting around Baku is simple and affordable. The metro is efficient and costs just 30 manat per ride. Taxis are widely available, but always agree on a price beforehand or use ride-hailing apps like Bolt or Yandex. For short distances, consider renting a bike or walking, especially in the Old City and along the boulevard. Rental cars are also available if you plan to explore areas outside the city. Baku's nightlife is vibrant and varied. Head to rooftop bars like Energy or 360 Bar for cocktails with a view, or enjoy live music at Etude Cafe. Clubs like Pacifico and Electra offer a lively atmosphere for partygoers. While the nightlife scene is modern and fun, remember to drink responsibly and always respect local customs. Baku does not have a prominent red light district like other major cities, and adult entertainment is generally low-key. Travelers should note that Azerbaijan is a conservative country, and cultural norms discourage open discussions about such topics. Always respect local laws and traditions to avoid unnecessary trouble. Baku's proximity to the Caspian Sea offers beautiful beaches for relaxation. Bilga Beach is perfect for families, with cleansans and nearby resorts. Shukov Beach is popular for its casual vibe and easy access from the city center. For a more exclusive experience, some luxury hotels have private beaches and outdoor pools. Baku is a city of contrasts, blending ancient history with cutting-edge modernity and vibrant culture with serene landscapes. Whether you're exploring the old city, relaxing on the Caspian Sea beaches, or enjoying the lively nightlife, Baku promises an unforgettable experience. Start planning your trip today and let the charm of Baku captivate you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel guides. See you in Baku!